Another good day. This is the Forexserve weekly update. Today is the 23rd of March 2009. We are here to today look at how, of course, it worked out last week and what it holds for us this week. We had mentioned that there was going to be a window of opportunity for dollar sellers, and we've seen that more vociferously than we could have ever imagined. You've seen the markets really sell the dollar very severely, and it all happened because the Federal Reserve decided to buy long-dated securities in a move which is now being called the quantitative easing method. And of course, some of the toxic assets, how they would be tackled is something that the markets are worried about. And of course, there are concerns about US dollar per se at this point of time. But overall, risk seems to have been mitigated to a great extent. At least the idea about risk has been mitigated, and that is what is cheering the markets. And the commodities also are perking up, along with the currencies in the Asian and the emerging markets. They're getting to see the light of day once again. So overall, we believe that this theme is going to be stronger this week, and we've shown you about the pound, the Canadian dollar, and some of the other currencies that might actually benefit from the scheme of things. And this week we also expect the rupee, which really didn't strengthen much last week, to do some catching up this week. Thank you very much. Have a great week ahead.
This week, we're showing you first the GBP chart, which shows that the 145.10 to 40 region is the critical area which needs to be taken out before the pound can move higher. And we see that today, the 23rd of March, it is happening. And I think this move has a minimum objective up to 150. We see that on a weekly time frame. We would see that there's a good potential that it will make it to 150 and even possibly beyond that. The Canadian dollar, which we had touched upon last week, we had suggested that there was a kind of a saucer top, and the Bollinger Band had narrowed, and there was a double top. It has actually played out as we had expected, and it has closed below the mid Bollinger Band actually on a weekly basis. So now we expect the next move to the lower end of the band, which is close to 81, and possibly even lower than that. We look at the Swiss franc here, which shows the SNB's rhetoric on the 12th of March, which saw the markets buying the dollar, and then after 4 days it was dumped as it became apparent that the dollar was weakening across the board, and the Swiss franc strengthened, and it seems that in the next couple of days there could be further attempts to the downside, lower than the last low, which has been seen at 1.1167. So in all, I think this week we'll see further dollar weakness.